This is East Coast Rider signing in from Bhubaneswar, and today we are riding to Chilka Sea Mouth. Now, before starting the video, I would like to confess that the audio is not from the trip and has been recorded later because I was using waterproof casing to avoid splashing of water on my camera, and because of this, there has been no audio during the entire trip. So enjoy the video and do let me know in the comments whether this audio and video stitching is good or not. Now we are assembling at the petrol bunk near Brothers Dhaba. From there we shall proceed towards Puri and towards Satpada for the location where we shall get down on the sea beach and ride towards Chilka Sea Mouth. Now here is the official lineup for today. More than 30 motorcycles are part of the ride, all the way from Honda CBR 650F to Hero Pleasure. As they say, where there is a will, there is a way. We did need to take care of the low tide and high tide timings before attempting this ride. It was all calculated by Mr. Sajal said, thus ensuring a safe passage for all riders. As you can see, here are the lineup of bikes. They are going down one by one over that hill towards the crest and then down to the sea beach, and we have to ensure that each bike transition from road to sand is smooth. That is the reason everybody is sent one by one, and it is beautiful. The beach is from here, so let's see how the sand fares for each and every bike. So here I am, it's my turn now. I deliberately stayed till the end because if anything happens, at least I am not delaying the convoy. And let's just see if my SD is doing this or not. Now I definitely know I did this because the audio is later, but it was fun considering the bike was getting stuck. And so this is the second hill, and you can see the trail marks of every tire from the bikes, and people are trying to follow those trail marks so they do not get stuck. And this is the big crest, which will create a problem for us later on, but for now it was fun going down one by one. And after you go down the crest, there is another small downhill point where you meet at the sea beach. Now that I am here and I am riding on the sand, I came to realize that this bike can actually tackle all road surfaces thrown at it. Nothing, and I mean nothing, can come in its way. I was going at 60-70 without the bike struggling, straining, or any other problem. This was just like any other road surface, and that is the reason many defense forces, police forces were using this bike in its prime as their primary vehicle. The ride to Chilka Seamouth is pretty much normal, but return leg was devastating for all of us. While getting down the crests, gravity pretty much helped us to reach the sea beach. However, while taking our bikes back to the main road, that took all the help we could have found, and more than 3-4 people were required to push each bike back to the top of the crest. Now that's the reason there is no video of people pushing the bike above, because everybody was engulfed in taking each and every bike to the top. I am so proud of my SD. It did the unthinkable today. Even the organizers were skeptical that whether this classic bike can hold its own among the modern machines. My bike was older than almost 95% of the riders present there, including me. Still, it made to the Chilka Sea mouth and back without any major hiccup or obstacle. After reaching back to the top, now everybody has dispersed to their respective places, and myself, along with the R3 OG members, are going to have lunch in Holiday Resort Puri. After riding for another 20 odd minutes and almost missing one of our members en route, we finally reached the resort, and even here people are reaching us to ask about this machine today. That's CSD for you.